there, welcome to How to Crochet. My name's Lisa. I will be your instructor. I'm the owner of Hello Happy and I've been crocheting for just shy of 15 years somehow. In this course, you're going to learn all about the basics of crochet. You're going to learn what tools to buy. You're going to learn about different types of yarn, and you're going to learn some really basic stitches, and at the end, you will make a headband. With the skills you learn in my course, you are going to be able to make this adorable headband. It's actually super practical. Like, it keeps the tips of your ears nice and warm. It keeps your bangs looking good. It's perfect for fall and winter when maybe it's a little too warm for a hat, but your poor ears are cold. It's perfect for that. So I hope you enjoy this course. I hope you learn so much. If you have any questions at any time, actually the best way to reach me is via Instagram. I will answer questions very quickly on Instagram. Otherwise, you can email me. My email address is lisa@hellohappy.net. And you can also leave questions and comments right here on this page. Each lesson has a comment section, so feel free to leave a comment here. It does shoot me an email whenever anybody leaves a comment. So Instagram, email, or comment right here on this page if you have any questions at all. All right, let's get started. We're going to teach you how to crochet.